Hello, hello. Let's solve ABC puzzle. Let's solve alphabet letters. A, B, C, where is D? Where is D? D. Where is E? Where is E? E. Where is F? Where is F? I need capital F. Where is F? Where is F? I need capital F. F, where are you? This is F. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. Where is M? This is M. M. Where is N? Where is N? N. O. P. Q. R. S. Where is T? T. U. V. W. Where is X? Where is X? X, X, X. I need X. X. Y. Z. Completed.